Bubby.
All right, day 2 of Ryan in the wheelchair.
I can't. You're,
We're going to see if this is still funny or not.
No. You gotta get out, Matthias. Why?
It's my turn.
It's your turn.
Matthias don't want out.
It's my turn. Alright, well, we're going to have to flip you. Ready? Alright. Whoa. Whoa, dude. You're parallel. Shit.
Alright, let Ryan try.
All right, Bobby, Ryan's turn.
My turn.
Yours is right here. Now we're good.
Here we go. He's in the saddle.
Alright, you guys gotta... Get ready.
Do you saw a video of us?
Whoa, dude. Whoa! Way too early. You gotta wait.
You got to wait.
Yeah.
Go, baby. Ooh, he's backing up.
Nope, still funny.